Good morning. Right now it is 7:12 a.m. and getting ready. But I'm not a morning person, so I'm drinking my instant coffee, which I got for 99 cents at a 99-cent store. I have one leg today to Cleveland, which is not bad. I think it's like a close to 4-hour flight if I'm not mistaken. So that's not too bad in itself. Just tired, man, because I am not a morning person. I don't really get up. My mind doesn't really wake up until like afternoonish. So yeah. So I'm drinking this coffee real quick. I'm gonna eat a cinnamon bun, which I got at this grocery store for $1.99. Four in a pack for $1.99. So I'm gonna eat one of this for this morning breakfast and pack my lunch. Punch my lunch bag and ready to be out. So I'll be back. Okay, so finish eat breakfast and still haven't put on my wig yet. I'm gonna put that on in a few minutes. But I feel like I'm getting sick, like my nose is running, my throat feel a little itchy and stuff like that. My eyes are a little bit watery, but it's not allergies because I know the difference between allergies and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't think it's allergies, but normally around this time when the weather changes, because right now where I'm at is very warm, and then where I'm going, it's gonna be 40 something degrees. So every time the weather changes, I get like this. Before I get sick, I always get Sudafed. Sudafed is a multi-symptom Sudafed that have runny nose, coughing, congestion, all that kind of stuff. And this helps because a lot of time you have runny nose and itchiness. We get ear pain when it's descent. We start getting ear pain, and to avoid the ear pain, I take the Sudafed so it can dry up whatever fluid that's gonna be in my ears or anything. So Sudafed all day for me. I'm not telling y'all to take Sudafed. I'm just saying for me personally, definitely consult your own doctor. But for me personally, I take the Sudafed pressure, pain, and cold, the multi-symptom one, and I take 2 of this. The only thing is that when flying, when you take medication, the higher you go in the air, the more the medication affects you. So non-drowsy, even though sometimes it may say non-drowsy, it still affects me. I don't know why, but it does. It made me feel a little bit sleepy. So I'm trying to see if I'm gonna take it now. So by the time I take off, it'll be enough time for everything to be in my, already in my system and stuff like that. So, but yeah, a lot of people don't know that when you take certain medications, when you get in the ear, it affects you a little bit more. That's like how you drink alcohol. If you drink alcohol before you get on the plane, say you drink a whole bunch of alcohol, and you get in the aircraft, the higher the aircraft goes, the greater it is for you to start getting sick, like throwing up and feeling like drunk. So when you're in the air, that's why a lot of time flight attendants will say to you that, oh, I think you have enough. Let's drink some water and crackers and stuff like that, because the 2 shot in the air is like drinking 4 shot. So yeah, so 2 bottles of alcohol is like drinking 4 bottles of alcohol when you're in the air, and a lot of time people don't know that. So that's why flight attendants have to monitor how many alcohol you drink, because by the time you realize that you're drunk, it's gonna be too late, and that's why a lot of things happen on the aircraft. People do crazy stuff. So yeah, and we have to make sure, and we're there for your safety, so we have to make sure that you are able to and capable to think when you are driving and be aware what's going on. Even if you're not driving, you still need to be able to understand people and communicate with people and all that kind of stuff. You still have your own mindset when you get off the plane. So a lot of times that's why you hear flight attendants be like, we're gonna slow down on the alcohol, blah blah blah. So it's not just because they don't want to sell it to you, it's because it's for your safety. And the number one reason why we're actually there is primarily for your safety, not just to serve you cookies and sodas and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, a lot of times I see stuff like that happen, and people get upset, and you're like, why would you be upset if somebody's actually trying to help you out? Like, I'm a little confused. Why would you get upset? I mean, all you got to do is just wait until you get off the aircraft and drink whatever alcohol you want. If you want to get into a car accident, that's up to you. But, like, somebody just looking out for you. And I try to explain to them, like, we're just looking out for you, and stuff like that. And even like girls will drink stuff and not realizing what the heck they're doing. That's why you hear stories like, oh, another person started touching up on a lady because she was knocked out, she was drunk. Like crazy stuff happened on a aircraft. Like it is a public transportation, and crazy things happen in broad daylight, like literally broad daylight. And even as women, when we travel, we need to be aware of really what we're traveling, because you have murderers that travel. You don't know they're murderers, but they probably killed somebody the night before and just taken off somewhere. You never know. We got stealers. We have a lot of different people. We have what they call them, child predators and all that kind of stuff. Like you have people like will change your baby in a cabin. A lot of times you also hear announcement for passengers to change your baby in a lavatory, because people would change their babies in the cabin and a guy would just look and just take pictures of the kid. And you're like, aren't you aware what's going on? Like, if you go to the bathroom, don't you close the bathroom behind you? Why wouldn't you not want to give your baby that privacy? Yeah, there's a child, but still the child have private area, and there are a lot of child predators out there that would take picture of your baby private area and do crazy stuff with it, but you don't know. But a lot of time people don't know that stuff, so why not just go to the bathroom to save you all that hassle, and instead of having your baby on some website? You know what I mean? Like, people don't think that is a public area, and a lot of different people come on the aircraft and you can't trust people. Not even your neighbor that's sitting beside you. It sucks, but yeah. But that's some tips for y'all. So let me finish, put on my hair, and get out of here. And I'll talk to you guys either when I'm on the plane or when I get to Cleveland. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I'm in my car waiting for my car to warm up. I think I'm a couple minutes late because normally I leave an hour before my show time. It's me on time. But normally when I go over the when I spend a little bit, because I'm actually supposed to be leaving at 7:30 and now it's 7:49. So yeah, that's not good for me. And every time I leave later, I always get the person that drive the slowest. Like, he drives so slow, I literally could walk past the van. So I'm hoping I don't get that person. Yeah, so let's see. So y'all remember what I was saying? I hope I don't get the guy that drives slow. Guess who I'm getting? The guy that drives slow. Like, every time, never fail. Every time I am late or a little bit late, I always get him. Like, the struggle is real. I don't know why. I really think I should just walk to the airport, because he drives too slow for me. Way too slow. Okay, so I came in like a few minutes ago, and then I went over to the store to get something like a chips or something to eat with my food, and my coworker was going too, so we both went together. She's feeling a little sick. She has a cough with congestion, so she went to get some NyQuil, and hopefully she'll feel better by tomorrow. And then I went to microwave my food. What I'm gonna be having tonight is my shrimp and spaghetti, the same meal that I bought at the 99-cent store. Ooh, it's hot. Very hot, very hot. So that's what I'm gonna eat now. And this is the chips I bought next door. I wish they had this in spicy, like barbecue spicy type, because this would taste really, really good. Spicy, barbecue spicy. So I'm gonna eat that and watch a quick movie, and then I'm going to work out real quick and do some editing. Yes, gonna do some editing to put out those videos for you guys. I'm backed up with videos, like literally backed up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I just advertised a dress on Instagram, so it's there. Advertising. I think it's gonna advertise for like 3 days. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, definitely check it out. My Instagram is yesshoneyboutuque. Right here is because my nose is runny and I keep wiping it, so right here gets super red. My skin is very sensitive, so, and this is like my blush, so that's why right here is super red. So yeah, I'm coming out with a little cold, so I need to get better. And when we land, we had mad turbulence when we land, and it was raining, and it was so bad because the wind was so strong that it was moving the plane from the jet bridge, which is ridiculous, but that's so bad. The wind is outside. So I'm about to go in, watch me a quick movie, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay guys, so I just finished editing one of my videos. I didn't even realize that I have so many videos that I didn't even have to edit. I'm trying to get caught up on these videos to edit them and put them out. So I just finished edit one, but I was trying to upload it to YouTube, but it just keeps saying failure. So I guess it's busy, so I'm not to upload it tonight when I'm sleeping, or I'm gonna have to try to upload it before I go to bed or something, but we'll see. Or early in the morning when I get up at 5. Yeah, I have to get up by like 4 in order for me to be on time, because my van time is at 5. So yeah. And right now I'm bidding for a vacation, because it's time to bid for vacation. So that's what I'm doing right now. So we have the option to bid assigned vacation, 1 week assigned. So the company assign you the vacation, but you choose, like, you have different slots that you have your first, second, and fourth, and all that kind of choices. So whatever, you know, is according to seniority, then they'll give it to you. Then the other one, you have the option to do it as floating vacation, is that you can use it in whatever time you want, whatever date you want, as long as they have enough employees to cover that trip. So I normally do 1 week assign and 1 week float. So that's what I'm doing right now before I go to bed, before I forget, because I want to make sure this is done before I forget. Yeah, so I just want to make sure that I have my first, second, third, or fourth choice and all that good stuff. So since I can't upload this video, I think I am gonna edit another video, and then I'm gonna go work out for like 30 minutes. It's now 8 o'clock. So work out for like 30 minutes, and then come up, shower, and go to bed. So yeah, this is gonna be the vlog for tonight. It's still raining outside, and oh, I need to take my Sudafed. Oh, hopefully I wake up tomorrow morning unstuffy and runny and all that kind of extra stuff, because I feel up here just feel very congested, you know what I mean? So hopefully when I get a nice hot shower and take the Sudafed, I'm all cleared up. So I'm hoping for that. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Click the notification button. Definitely check out my website, www.yesshoneyboutuque.com. The link will be in the description box, and I'll see y'all next time. Deuces.